also had some of his own personal things that he was doing off in the corner. Lots of fabric, lots of animals. What's going to happen with that? I don't know, but we're going to find out maybe. Also, he ran into his old friend Gonzo from college. Gonzo and his wife Camilla the chicken, who he never really got along with. And he was helping out his mother when she reminded him of Miss Piggy, a woman from his past who he had fallen deeply for, but never had a chance to say hello to. Oh, the drama, oh, the sadness. Anyway, the party began. There was fondue all over the place, chocolate cheese and watermelon fondue. And as the band played,
Oh, well, you're going to be on YouTube. Well, you're going to be on YouTube. Whether you like it or not.
Well, he's also had a friend, Shannon, Linda's friend. He's worked
Ooga booga!
So Will has him going by on occasion just to kind of keep an eye on it. Yeah. We will rock the day. Okay, go out of your way there.
Yeah, I thought Dave, that's why I got in the car, because I thought Dave was saying that he was locking the gate. So I was getting ready to move out.
Ziggurat 100. It's a nice big car.
Are you guys having Bible study with Dustin tomorrow then? Have you heard from him? Michael is.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, good. Praise the Lord.
Yeah, we had, last week we had 2 days.
This week, though, this is kind of...
I wonder what's in the darkness. Couldn't be a demon, could it?